Hi, if you've recently experienced a betrayal with your partner, that is super painful and I'm really sorry. You can also use the relationship trust boundary model to help you get through that and to address it. So just like when we had a sister that broke trust, when she moved from family up to acquaintance or to stranger, we can do the same thing with our partner emotionally. So let's say I just find out that my partner betrayed me in a horrible way. I can emotionally put them up into stranger, acquaintance, or coworker, only share at that level, right? So one thing we would have in common maybe is children if we have children together. So our conversations would just be about children. I'm not future planning. I'm not moving on as though there's no problem. I'm not letting them in emotionally any further than back here until trust is rebuilt. And when we come together to talk about the issue or the event that occurred, that is what we're talking about, not what happened 10, 5, 15, 20 years ago. We're just talking about the moment where trust was broken. We're trying to make sense of that and to move through. This way, it allows me to have time so that I can defrost, so I can heal, so I can figure some things out with myself, and I'm not feeling all this pressure to keep emoting at the same level. Trust takes time to be rebuilt, and it's going to take time for my partner to move back down the model to be able to go back in that rung where they belong. Take good care, and I'll see you in the next one.